So welcome to my channel. In this video, I will talk about how to solve course policy error which we encountered while fetching our API. So this is a problem which we encountered while fetching our API in ReactJS. So let's begin to the video. So whenever I'm trying to fetch this API, so I am using the fetch function, and just this is a React part, like I am just fetching API and storing it in the use state. So when I run this project, so I am running this project. So now if I inspect this, so you can see here, like, access to fetch from this API from origin has been blocked by course policy. Like, we cannot able to fetch our data from the API. But if I click on this API, you can see like it is having a data. If I search course policy, so you can see that it is a browser mechanism which enables controlled access to resources. Like, we cannot able to fetch our data from any third-party APIs. So to solve this error, I will showing two methods for this. One method will be in the terminal and second will be in the file method. So let's begin. So just create one folder. I'm just creating it on desktop. So I'm just writing here new browser. So this folder has been created on the desktop. So now you have to go to the terminal. I will write cmd here. You have to open command prompt. Now what you have to notice over here is that you have to find your path of browser. So you have to open file explorer. Now you have to find your now you have to find where your executor file of chrome is there. So program files, google and chrome, and an application. So you can see this is my executable file of chrome. So you have to find the location of chrome executable file in your PC. This might be different in your PC because it depends upon the PC. So you can check, you have to just find your chrome executable file. Now you have to copy this thing, your path, and now you have to open command prompt. Okay, so now you have to enter cd and paste the path that you have copied from there. Okay, now you have to just press enter. So that means you have entered this path. Now you can check by entering dir. It will list all their files and folders present in your current location. So you can see that chrome executor file is present. So now what you have to write here, just write chrome.exe hyphen hyphen user hyphen data hyphen dir. Now you have to equal to, now in string you have to paste your location of your new folder that you have been created. So I will opening it, just copy this and just paste over here. And now you have to just give space hyphen disable hyphen web hyphen security. I will also provide you this command in the description also, so you can copy it from here. So now you just have to press enter. Okay, so you can see like your browser has been opened. So if you paste this URL over there, and I press enter, so if I inspect this and in console, so you can check like we are not encountered with that error. Now we are able to fetch our API and we are consoling our data. So this was the first method. So in this method you have to write command in your terminal. First you have to give command, you have to write your Chrome path and then your new folder path. Method 2 is really similar to this method. So what I will be doing, I will just adding one here node file. So second method is just I am here creating one file, text document. Okay, and in that I will be just pasting that command here. So I will copy this command first, Control C, and paste it over here, this one, and then the second one. So I will copy and paste it over here. So now you have to save this file. I'll be saving it in again desktop, and I will give it as a name Chrome. You can give any name, Chrome dot. Now you have to give here dot bat extension. It is important to note over here like we have to create dot bat file over here. So I will be saving this, and now just moving on to the desktop. So you can check this file is over here. So when I press over this file, you can directly jump to over your Chrome. Now you can able to access your Chrome from this. So if again I am pasting my same link over here. So if I inspect this, and in console you can check like our data has been fetched from our API. So this was the second method, which was just similar to the first method. I hope you liked this video, and I hope your error got solved from this video. So if you really like this video, so do like, share and comment on this video. So thank you.